everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Lisa. Thank you for joining me for day 1 of our Feel Better 4-day yoga challenge. So I'm so happy you're here, beginning or recommitting maybe to your yoga practice this year. So let's begin in easy seated pose, just sitting comfortably on your mat. You can have a bolster or a blanket underneath your hips to give you more room. And then just feel your sits bones rooted down in the earth. Let the spine be nice and tall. The crown is reaching towards the sky. And go ahead and let your palms be face down on your knees. Touch your thumb and index finger. This is Jnana Mudra. It helps us to focus on the breath with concentration. It's the mudra of wisdom. And then go ahead and close your eyes. Put a slight tilt in the chin so you feel a nice length in the back of the neck. And then take a deep breath in through the nose. And an easy exhale. Let it go out the mouth this time. Just arrive with yourself on your mat. Twice more like that. A big belly breath in. Filling up all the way, and a nice exhale out of the mouth, rooting down through the hips, keeping the spine nice and tall. Relax the mouth and the jaw. Let's do that one more time. Big breath in. And a big breath out of the mouth. Good, and let the mouth, the lips be softly closed. And the next round of breath, we're inhaling and exhaling through the nose, connecting to the breath. So yoga is a breathing practice. We use the breath as our anchor, grounding us into the present moment, helping us to connect to our body, our inner landscape, helping us to get quiet as we arrive here and now, the next few moments, recommitting or arriving to this new practice this year. Begin to lengthen your inhale, maybe taking a count of 4 in your mind, and notice that tiny pause at the top of the breath. And then holding there for a moment as you exhale on that same count. Slowly through the nose, the breath is released. Good, connecting to this moment. Letting all of our responsibilities, put them in a little box in your mind outside this room, outside the door. Inhaling. And allow yourself to feel this nourishment of our breath as we create space in our body, in our mind. And then let the exhale drift slowly out of the nose. And just arrive with yourself today. Be okay with having a new experience. No judgment. No expectations, just opening up to this practice of yoga or union. Yoga means to yoke together, unite our breath with movement, and then we tap into something deeper within ourselves. This inner space, our inner being, becoming a witness on and off the mat. Let's do one more. Inhale, counting of 4. Take it all the way up. Belly, ribs, shoulders, and chest. Hold at the top. And an easy exhale through the nose. Good. Bring your palms together. into Namaste. Touch your thumb straight to your heartbeat. This balances the left and right hemisphere of the brain. Maybe set an intention for this practice, this 4-day journey, 4 days to feel better, recommit, or arriving on our yoga journey together. I can do this. I am healthy. I am committed to self-care, to self-love this year. Take a deep inhale right into your heart space. And an easy exhale, let it come out of the mouth. Twice more. Big inhale. Easy exhale. Once more, big breath in. Big breath out. Good, and then open your eyes. Already feeling the magic of the breath. Good, I want you to uncross your legs, shake them out a little bit. And then switch the cross of your legs. Gonna feel a little funky. Good, still rooting down through those sits bones. Good. Go ahead and place your left palm over to your left and then lean on in nice and slow as we reach that right arm all the way up, just opening up the body. Let the shoulder come back and the head come back in space. Good. Breathing big. Big breath in. Good, and on the exhale, round the shoulder forward, reaching that right arm forward as you look down. Little movement here, and then on the inhale, we open back up. Let everything work for you. Exhale, round the shoulder forward, reach forward through those fingertips, look down. And then inhale, open everything back up. So we open the body safely and slowly, round and curl it down. Last one, inhale, open everything up. Good, and then let that top arm guide you back up. Reach both arms all the way up. And then switching sides, releasing that right hand down, leaning on over to your right. As we reach that left arm all the way up, drop the shoulder back, drop the head and neck back. And maybe that forearm, the elbow might come down with each breath. So let it happen with the breath creating that space in the body. Good. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, look down, round and curl. Reach through the fingertips. Good. Inhale opens us up. And exhale, look down, reach. Feeling a nice stretch, lateral side and the back of the body. Inhale, open. And exhale, round the shoulder down, look down. Good, last one. Inhale opens us up. And exhale, come back up to center, reach both arms all the way up. Press your palms forward, exhale, bring your fingertips down in front of you. Our first forward fold, crawl it on forward. And an easy sway here in the spine. Breathing big, breathe into the back of the lungs. And then walk the hands over to your left. Reach a little longer, further through those right fingertips. Good, breathe. Big inhale into the right lung. Exhale, walk it back to center. Keep walking it. Nice, over to the right. Reach through those left fingertips and take a deep breath into the left lung. Exhale it out. Good. Inhale, walk it back to center. And exhale, pull the lower belly in as you drag your fingertips round and curl it up. Plant your palms behind you. Big inhale, open the heart, press the chest, the heart forward. Option here to pick up the hips, tucking the tailbone. Open up the neck. And exhale, release. Good. Inhale, sweep both arms all the way up. Touch your fingertips, exhale, press the energy away, chin to chest. Twice more, inhale, reach it up, open up. Exhale, chin to chest, press the air away. Inhale, reach all the way up. Exhale, press it away. Good, and then look forward. Let's come on to tabletop, do a couple cat-cow stretches here. Good, so shoulders over your wrists, hips over your knees. Nice long neutral spine. Tuck your toes, drop your belly, inhale. Exhale, point your toes round and curl, chin to chest. Press the earth away with your shins, the finger pads, and the palms. Head is loose, neck is loose. Inhale, tuck your toes, drop your belly, arch. Nice, so feeling that connection with the breath and the movement. Exhale, round and curl, press it away. 2 more, inhale. Opens us up. Exhale, round and curl, chin to chest. Pull the belly in. Good, last one. Inhale, arch. And this time, exhale. Bring your hips all the way back to your heels. Balasana, child's pose. So bring your forehead down. Good, bend your elbows. I want you to bring your hands together and back into the prayer hands. Cross your thumbs. Good, third eye is to the earth. And take a deep breath into the back of your body. And exhale everything that no longer serves you right into the earth. Everything from this past year that held you back, the struggles, the challenges, let them all go. Inhale, gather everything up we wish to cultivate, to manifest strength, resilience, abundance, inner peace. And exhale, planting that commitment, that mantra, dedication to our practice this year, arriving here for ourselves once again. Good, and then slowly round and curl it up. Bring your knees together. We're sitting on our heels. Good. I'll face you. Again, bring your prayer hands right to your heartbeat. Tilt your chin, just like we started. And you're already feeling some subtle sensations in the body, just from the breath beginning to open up. Take a deep inhale and a big exhale. Big breath in. Big breath out. Thank you for practice. Thank you for arriving here with yourself, for us to feel better, again, through the practice of yoga and meditation. May May this peace go with you today, on and off the mat, and I look forward to the next practice with you. Bring your thumbs up to your third eye as we say Namaste.